So we're starting out this video using our Dollar Tree hula hoops. And I have a ton of these around the house. I picked them up from Dollar Tree during the summer. And now what we're doing is we're looking for that opening so that we can take those beads out. Once you find the opening, you just take the tape off. You unlock it. And you pour the beads out. It's just that simple. Now we have our beads out. We're just going to take the hula hoop, snap it back together, and wrap that tape right back around there. So simple, so easy. And with this project, we're going to use 3 of the Dollar Tree hoops. Now you can use 4 or more, however you would like for your sphere to look, or orb. Not sure how that goes. But what we're doing is we're making the sphere by interlocking our hula hoops. So I'm just going to figure out where the center is on all of the hoops, and then we're going to tie those together. And if you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to see when we upload new DIY tutorials. And we're just putting this together, as you can see, using our twist tie, or zip tie, sorry. And we're going to keep it loose because we're going to adjust this as we go. There's so many ways that you can do this, guys. So I would love to see your designs once you have completed yours. So now we have those 2 together. And it's already starting to look just like a sphere. So now we're going to add that 3rd one. And again, we're just trying to find the center. And once we have the center, we're going to go ahead and use those zip ties and put those together as well. And this takes a little bit of patience, but if you take your time, you can get it where your desired space would be. So now we have all of them tied together. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this out and we're going to go ahead and spray paint it. I'm spray painting with a gold metallic spray paint, and I'll let you see when we come back. And here it is, all spray painted. I love the gold metallic spray paints. I use it all the time from Rust-Oleum. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our floral foam, because I would love to add flowers to this. And I'm just going to add the floral foam to the bottom, and then we're going to start adding our flowers. I also want to add a chandelier center. It's an ornament that I found during the Christmas holidays at the at-home store. I thought it was very, very cute. So we're going to add our flowers and our ornament. And we have our floral foam added, and we just added that using our glue gun. So now I want to add this lovely chandelier ornament. It's a Christmas tree ornament. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to add that using our chandelier strands, our crystal beading strands, and we're going to add that to the top of the sphere and just have it hanging in the middle there. And you can adjust the height on this however you would like. I want it to reach right over my flowers. And then I'm just adding that by clipping it through where we have tied those hula hoops together. And there you have it. Now that I have my little cute chandelier Christmas ornament added, I'm going to work on my flowers. And there's no real rhyme or reason to doing the flowers. You can do them however you would like. I wanted to start at the top so that I would know where I want my flowers and my chandelier piece to begin. I didn't want my flowers touching to keep my chandelier piece from moving. And now we're just going to add the rest of our flowers. And there you have it, guys. It is just gorgeous, just how it is. But you know me, I'm a bling girl, so I'm going to add some more embellishments to this. And then we are going to hang this, and you guys can see how it looks once I'm finished. And here it is, hanging in my dressing room. It is so gorgeous. As you can see, I did add some bling and a few flowers to the top just to hide the zip ties. I also added some fairy lights in the flowers, and I think it's just gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified of new DIY videos. And as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative.